What's up, guys? And we're going to be having an extreme checker showdown.
I call it chess.
Extreme checker showdown.
I call it chess.
Now, Josh, this is a very serious manner, isn't it?
Very serious.
Very serious.
Very serious.
Very serious.
Very serious.
Very serious. Okay, let's go. You move first.
Black does not go last anymore. It's not racist now.
Alright, Josh moved. Let's
yeah,
go.
I did. Oh my god, Black. Oh my god. Gotta protect him. Yeah,
Ooh.
With the shoulder talk. You gotta take it, stupid.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Take it all.
What move should I make?
Again?
There we go.
See, right there.
Oh, okay.
God, get it right. Oh my god. Oh my god. Right there.
If I give you a quarter, will you go away? Taking his nose off, it's itching me.
These really old firecrackers from like the 4th of July. My dad won't let me fire them because he thinks I'll start a fire. I don't blame him at the moment. But what should I do with these? Because there's a whole bunch of gunpowder in my pockets, and I don't want to get near anything hot. So just leave your comments with Aaron, and then he'll tell me.
And that's the common question for the day. What does Josh do with his firecrackers?
Or you could go to my channel, Community Viking 76, and say something.
It's Community Viking 76.
That was a cool air number.
Yeah.
Whose turn is it?
Huh?
Whose turn is it?
I don't know.
Final countdown. Crackers! Living together.
You just jumped me. Ooh, double jump. Double jump.
Oh my god, that would be horrible.
Yeah.
I hope that they don't see what I did.
What'd you do?
You don't need to know right now. I'll tell you when you're older.
Dude, I'm older than you.
Shut up. I'll tell you when you're freaking older.
Dude, you're 12. I'm
Your mom's
15.
12. I'm 13, stupid. Shut up, Jessica.
You left your purse over there.
I'm pretty sure. Should we go to the phone?
I want to read them.
Okay.
Go. Alright guys, I guess that's it. Sorry it wasn't much of a show today. But I'll see you again next week. And the question of the day is, what should Josh do with his firecrackers? I'll see you guys next week.